Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Welcome to Infinity Aussie, Kids World. Hello, congratulations.
Kids World. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get your lifestyle.
Excuse me. Yes, please. Could you please help me? Well, how can I help you? Nothing special. I'm just looking for Dutch Bangla bag. Oh, looking for Dutch Bangla bag. It's at New Market. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Thank you so much. It's fine.
Speaking today. Focusing friendly. Thank you so much for joining this class. Bye.